VitaMotion. Tired of stiff, aching pains? Eliminate back pain starting today. Formulated by leading exercise science and kinesiology expert Rick Caselj, MS, BSc, VitaMotion is a powerful daily system designed to help you move with ease and comfort. Supports everyday comfort and flexibility. Promotes healthy inflammatory response. Helps maintain muscle and nerve health. Boosts mobility and ease of movement. Easy, daily fast-absorbing formula plus gentle movement routine. The root cause. Trapped, inflamed nerves. Prostate diagram. Chronic low-grade nerve inflammation can cause your nervous system to send the wrong signals, telling your brain there's injury even when there isn't. Over time, this triggers your muscles to involuntarily tighten and lock up, creating pressure and stiffness that make everyday movement feel harder than it should. Tight, unresponsive muscles. Restricted flexibility and range of motion. Nerve-related discomfort and tension. Feeling fragile or unsteady. This miscommunication between nerves and muscles leads to persistent stiffness, muscle guarding, limited mobility, and the frustration of feeling older, slower, and less capable than you were meant to be. The good news? VitaMotion was created with one goal: to make effective back and joint support accessible, achievable, and sustainable for everyone. It's time to calm trapped nerves and move without fear again. Meet VitaMotion. VitaMotion is the first and only system that supports your back and joint health by combining two simple, science-backed approaches. Number 1. A fast-absorbing formula that supports a healthy inflammatory response and maintains healthy nerves and muscles from within. Number 2. A 10-minute daily movement sequence that gently frees your back. Together, these two tools help promote everyday comfort and support your body's natural rhythm of movement. What you can expect. VitaMotion supports healthy nerve signaling and muscle response, which impacts comfort, mobility, energy, and confidence in daily movement. In just a few days, many people begin to notice a sense of lightness in the lower back, hips, and pelvis. Supple, fluid movement without the usual hesitation. Easy movements when sitting, bending, or standing. After a few weeks, users often report deep, restful sleep and waking up refreshed. A strong core and naturally healthy posture. Ease in everyday tasks like walking, standing, or lifting. Noticeably positive energy levels, feelings, and freedom.
Order only through the official link. For those interested, the official link is available in description for more details. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews and helpful health content. Thanks for watching.